Welcome back, dear children. Welcome back to my channel, Simplified Maths. Today, in this particular chapter 4, in this particular lecture, we are continuing with determinant part 3. Okay, and today I am doing exercise 4.2, which is on the page number 119 of the textbook. Okay, in the last lecture, what we have seen? We have seen all the properties of the determinant. How many properties were there? I think there were 6 properties total. How many? 6 properties are there. Okay, so if you are gone through the properly of that video, then only you will be able to do this exercise. Okay, quite easily. Concentration and observation. आप जब sum करोगे ना दोस्तों, then determinant problems are such a problem that for a one problem there are more than one solution. I repeat, for one problem there are more than one solution. If I do by some way, your observation is something different, you can do it by other way. Suppose I am doing the elementary operation of the row, you can do the same with the elementary operation of the column. No problem. Okay, so just see, ऐसा मत समझना कि what I am doing is the only way to solve the given question. Okay, you can think of your own, no problem. In the exam also there will be no issue if you use any method which you find it easy for yourself. Okay, now see, suppose I go with the easier one, the first question. If you see, for the first 7 questions, the question is like this, the heading, okay, using the property of determinants and without expanding. Okay, what is the first of all? Without expanding, that is very important. Without expanding means what, you know? You cannot find the value of the determinant, and you have to prove that. Prove that means LHS equal to RHS. Whatever the 7 sums are given there. So without expanding, okay, and using the properties, okay, properties of determinant, using the properties of determinant, okay, prove that. Okay, right? Now take the first sum. Now let me tell you, the first sum, second sum, third sum, all are MCQs. If you want to note it down, just note it down. Okay, right? All are MCQs. Don't feel that MCQs can be asked from the outside of the textbook, but okay, that we can convert the given problem into MCQ. Suppose I take the first sum left hand side, because they say prove that. Okay, prove that. So it is, first column is like this, X, Y, Z. Second column is A, B, C, and third column is X plus A, Y plus B, Z plus C. Okay, this is the left hand side. Okay, now what's your observation? If you see there, what is to prove there? Is equal to 0 means RHS 0 lana hai. So again you have to remember our last video lecture, okay, last online lecture, what I taught you, that when you get the value of the determinant is equal to 0, which property it was? If any 2 rows or any 2 columns are identical, I repeat, if any 2 rows or any 2 columns are identical, okay, then the value of the determinant will be 0. Okay, now this property is in my mind because I don't have to expand. Without expanding दोस्तों, means इसको expand नहीं कर सकते. When they say without expanding, suppose I expand this, no, means if I find the value using the first row or second row or third row, answer will be 0 according to RHS. Answer 0 आएगा, but you will get what marks? 0. मतलब whatever the right hand side of the sum will be the marks given to you also 0, because you have taken the expansion. No expansion. That's very important. कभी-कभी students asked us, we sir, we got 0, no? LHS equal to RHS, then we got, then why you don't give marks? But look at the heading. Look at the heading. What this is? Without expanding. Without expanding means आप इसको expand नहीं कर सकते. And you have to get RHS. Now this is very important for the first 7 sum. Okay. So what I will do, just see what comes in my mind is, if this is the first column and this is the second column, suppose I add this, what happens? C1 goes to C1 plus C2. This I am writing, okay, into bracket, means what operation I am doing? I am going to perform C1 goes to C1 plus C2, means adding second row to the first, second column to the first column. So what it will be now? First column will become X plus A, Y plus B, Z plus C. Hope you understand this. Okay. And this is A, B, C, second column, third column, X plus A, Y plus B, Z plus C. Okay. So what I have done, I am writing the operation, elementary operation in the bracket. This is compulsory. Okay. This operation you have to write. Okay. You must write. आप वो नहीं लिखोगे, you will not get the full marks if the question is asked in the 2 markers. Okay. But actually I told you that this is an MCQ only because it's just a one step question, one step answer. But if you are lucky enough, if this is asked in 2 marks, then you have to show this. Now this is equal to 0. That's my observation. Why I am telling this 0? My observation is first column and third column identical. Can you see? First column, third column same हो गया. So what is the reason I have to write? Because C1 is equal to C3. Okay. And this is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay. So this is the first question, can be converted into MCQ. Is that clear, dosto? Okay. Now, I go for the sum number 2 as well. This is also an MCQ. Okay. Sum number 2, which is also an MCQ. Now, what is that sum number 2? Just to see. उसकी left hand side देखो. Left hand side is equal to LHS. Now see that the RHS is again 0 only. Now LHS is like this: A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, first row, B minus C, C minus A minus B, second row, and C minus A minus B, B minus C, third row. ठीक है दोस्तों? Now if you see now properly, you can observe the first row and first column is same. First row, first column same here. Isn't it? है ना? Look at the first row, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Look at the first column, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. ऐसा सब observe करना पड़ेगा दोस्तों. Because what happens, when I start the problem, now first question arises in my mind is, what operation should I perform, column or row? ये क्वेश्चन होता है कि अब मैं रो का ऑपरेशन, एलिमेंट्री ऑपरेशन अप्लाई करूं या कॉलम का करूं, वो कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है समटाइम. ओके. नाउ whenever the problem question is given in such a way that rows and columns are same, first row, first column, look at the second row, second column same, third row, third column same, then in this type of question you can perform either row operation or a column operation, will be no difference. Okay, will have no difference means same steps will come. आप जैसे रो का कोई ऑपरेशन कर लो या कॉलम का कर लो, ये सब ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा, तो क्या आपको थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा. ओके, नाउ what I can see here is taking, okay, taking or say doing C1 जो है ना फर्स्ट कॉलम, अब ध्यान से देखो C1 प्लस C2 प्लस C3 करो तो, हाँ, what I am my observation is C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3 means adding the second and third column, huh? Second and third column to the first column. I am writing in the bracket दोस्तों, or you can do, or you can do R1 to R1 plus R2 plus R3 also. Okay, ये मैं क्यों लिख रहा हूं ब्रैकेट में? As I told you, first row first column, second row second column, third row third column, same. That's why. Okay, I am performing for column. Now just observe. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल टू क्या हो रहा है, देखो ध्यान से. आई एम राइटिंग इट ए माइनस बी C1 प्लस C2 प्लस C3. सी यहां से आप देखो a माइनस बी माइनस सी प्लस सी माइनस ए. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. ये सेकंड कॉलम है, उसको फर्स्ट में ऐड करो, थर्ड को भी फर्स्ट में ऐड करो. देन व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन दोस्तों, a minus b plus b, so minus b plus b cut, minus c plus c cut, और ये minus a plus a cut. Look at this, b minus c plus c minus a plus a cut. तो क्या हो रहा है दोस्तों, now the first column will be 0 0 0 only. First column will be what, all the three elements become 0. Okay, right? If I apply R1 to R1 plus R2 plus R3, then what will happen? In that case, instead of first column, the first row will be 0 0 0. That's all. Otherwise, no change. Okay. So it will be B minus C, second column, no change. C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, B minus C. And this is nothing but the 0. The reason is the first column, all the three elements are 0. है ना, C1 पूरी column 0 है. So obviously if you expand this, actually no need to expand, sorry, because without expanding. But if all the elements are 0, either column or a row, then that determinant will be 0. No need to expand. Okay. So ये हो गया हमारा राइट हैंड साइड. ठीक है, होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस दोस्तों. ओके, राइट. नाउ we'll take one more sum. I am directly going for the sum number 5. That doesn't mean that you have to do only these sums. When you are doing it here at your own, please attempt all the sums. Okay, please attempt all the sums. ठीक है. Now sum number 5. Fifth one, the question is like this. Left hand side is equal to determinant. Now see the given thing like this, B plus C, first column I am writing C plus A plus B. Okay, please watch in the textbook. Then second column Q plus R plus P and P plus Q. Third column Y plus Z Z plus X and X plus Y. Now see, this looks a little bit difficult, no? But if you observe properly, no, then this is our left hand side, and what is right hand side? Just look in your textbook, page number 119. Okay, the right hand side is 2 into determinant, first column ABC, second column PQR, third column XYZ. Okay, right? Now my observation goes like this. अब ध्यान से देखना हो यहाँ पे. See, here R1 goes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. R3. R1 goes to R1 plus R2 plus R3 gives. Okay, means what? क्या किया हमने? Just like the previous sum, but instead of column, I'm using row here. So adding second and third row to the first row. Easy to understand. R1 तो ऑलरेडी है. R1 में क्या ऐड किया हमने? R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3. तो यहां से देखो क्या हो रहा है. If you do that, then we have LHS equal to left hand side equal to B plus C. Now see, R2 plus R3. Huh? So B plus C plus A plus A plus B. क्या हो रहा है देखो, ऑब्जर्व करो ध्यान से. हाँ, all elements are coming twice. See, B, C, A, all addition, no? So it is 2 times A plus B plus C. ये हो गया, right? Then similarly PQR में भी same ही होगा. 2 times P plus Q plus R. XYZ also same. 2 times, okay? 2 times X plus Y plus Z. Okay? ठीक है? Right? Now, first row change हो गई. Second row, third row, no change. Because we are operating on the first row only. Okay? So, C plus A plus B, ये सब same रहेगा. R plus P plus Q. Then this is Z plus X plus Y. Okay, you got this? Okay, right. Now what we shall do after this thing? Just take 2 common. First I take the 2 common from the first row. Okay, दोस्तों, what I will do? Take 2 out from the first row. So it will be A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, X plus Y plus Z, and बाकी सब same. C plus A plus B, R plus P plus Q, ठीक है? Z plus X plus Y. Now see, it is totally based on the observation. Okay, आपका जितना observation पक्का होगा, you will be able to understand that why I take 2 common, दोस्तों. And one more important thing, okay, if there is a matrices in your mind, okay, तो आपको confusion होगा ही होगा, because when you take out from the matrices, so what was the property in matrices? Do you remember that? I cannot take 2 common from the first row in the matrices. If you want to take out common in the matrices, that number 2 must be in all the 9 elements. अगर यहाँ पे 2 है तो ये हर जगह पे 2 2 2 होना चाहिए था. Then only I would have taken 2 common in matrices. I am repeating, this is not a matrix, this is determinant. Determinant property is such that you can take common from either any one of the row or any one of the column. You can take common. अगर ये 2 मैंने बाहर कॉल लिया ना, now these 2, if required, not required in this particular sum, but if required, I can take these 2 inside and I can multiply these two with any one of the row or any one of the column as required. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि I have taken two from common from the first row. So when I take it in, I have to take two here only. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं टू मुझे फर्स्ट रो में ही वापस लेना पड़ेगा. नो, नॉट एट ऑल. These two I can apply to the first column, second column, third column, second row, third row, कहीं पे भी apply कर सकता हूँ. Okay, but it should be in any one of the row or column. Okay, दोस्तों ये बहुत ही confusing चीज है और important भी है. There is a basic difference between matrices and the determinants, and this is the basic difference. Okay, right? Now, two common निकाला, so I have to write in the bracket what I have done. They are right in the book, they are writing in the words that taking two common, okay, two common from R1 ऐसे लिखा होगा. ठीक है, but the same thing I can write in symbol. ध्यान से देखना क्या करेंगे पता है. फर्स्ट रो टू कॉमन लिया ना, तो दिस इज द सिंबल. आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो. और लेट मी से ये मैंने एक्चुअली पुराना सिंबल लिख दिया स्टेट बोर्ड वाला. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वन व्हाट वी से एनसीईआरटी बुक, R1 goes to 1/2 R1. अगर मैं ऐसे लिखूं ना, इसका मतलब क्या हो पता है कि ये जो फर्स्ट रो है ना, द फर्स्ट रो आई मल्टीप्लाइड बाय हाफ. मल्टीप्लाइड बाय व्हाट? हाफ. तो यहां से 2 2 2 कट हो गया. बट when you are proving LHS equal to RHS, you know that if you multiply by any number, then you have to divide by the same number. So actually 1/2 matlab indirectly 1/2 means what? I have multiplied by half, or in the other sense I can say I am dividing by 2. So dividing by 2 and outside I am writing multiplying by 2. Okay, outside क्या लिखा? multiply और 1/2 मतलब divide. तो multiply divide means हो गया balance. तो the term does not change. LHS वाला जो LHS term है that remains same only. Is that clear? Okay, right? Now what to do further? Sorry, there was some disturbance in the home. Now A plus B plus C you can see here, and you can see here A plus B. You can see here P plus Q plus R, P plus Q, X plus Y plus Z, X plus Y, or you can take this one also, C plus A. तो मेरे दिमाग में अब ये आ रहा है कि let me take a subtraction now. Okay, and one more thing, in this question I am thinking of the operations of row only, row operations, no column operations. Because if I took the column operation, the column operation will have what will happen? यहाँ पे PQR है और यहाँ पे ABC है, यहाँ पर XYZ है. So if you add or subtract, nothing is going to happen. Means nothing is going to cut down. But if I take the row operation, adding, subtracting, something happens. So I am using the row operation only. Correct? Okay. So now what I shall do now? Suppose I take R1 to R1 to R1 minus R2 कर दो तो means what I am doing now? Subtraction. Second row will be subtracted from the first row. R1 goes to R1 minus R2. Okay, right? So it gives what? When I take this, then it will be what? Outside 2 will be as it is. अब थोड़ा ध्यान से observe करो. A plus B plus C minus C minus A. You know, subtraction. Minus C minus A means A minus A, C minus C cut. क्या मिला हमको? B. यहाँ पर क्या होगा? P plus Q plus R minus R minus P. So R and P got cancel out. So what remain? Q. ठीक है? X plus Y plus Z minus X. सो जेड माइनस एक्स कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो वाई। ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट रो ये हो गई, एंड नाउ दिस इज रिमेनिंग एज इट इज सी प्लस ए प्लस बी, ठीक है, आर प्लस पी प्लस क्यू, जेड प्लस एक्स प्लस वाई. Got this? Okay. Now what? Now you have to look at the RHS. हाँ, राइट हैंड साइड को देखता रहना है. टेक्स्ट बुक आपकी ओपन होनी चाहिए दोस्तों, तभी पता चलेगा कि why sir is doing this. Because on the right hand side, if you see, we have all single elements A, P, X, B, Q, Y, C, R, Z सब सिंगल है. तो देखो B, Q, Y तो आ गया. सेकंड रो जो थी ना, सेकंड रो वो फर्स्ट रो में आ गई. सो नो प्रॉब्लम, दैट वी कैन इंटरचेंज लेटर ऑन. अभी क्या करेंगे नेक्स्ट बोलो. नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट आई कैन सी इज दैट दिस इज C प्लस A, okay, R plus P, Z plus X, and now suppose that you take any other subtraction. What type of subtraction will do now? If you see R1 goes to, again again you take like this, R1 R3 goes to R3 minus R1 करे तो ये यहाँ पे देखो ध्यान से. हाँ, ये R3 है. ओके, R3 goes to R3 minus R1. All this comes from the observation. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? What am I doing? I am subtracting first row from the third. So देखो क्या हो रहा है? A plus B, I hope you can see this, A plus B minus B, because R3 minus R1. So B cut, P plus Q minus Q, Q cut, X plus Y minus Y cut. ठीक है ना? So that was my purpose. So R3 goes to R3 minus R1 gives. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा देखो. If you write it now, then there will be no change in the first row, that is B, Q, Y. Then second row no change, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. Now यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? B cut, so A, Q cut, so P, Y cut, so X. ठीक है, होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. नाउ व्हाट्स ऑब्जर्वेशन? अब मेरे ख्याल से आपके दिमाग में थोड़ा क्लियर हुआ होगा. नाउ व्हाट आई कैन डू इज R2 goes to R2 minus R3. मतलब थर्ड रो विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द सेकंड रो. तो यहां से A minus A कट, P minus P cut, X minus X cut. Clear? So that I am going to write on the next page. Okay, I am going to write it on the next page. So what it will be, just to see that taking, okay, R2 goes to R2 minus R3 gives, okay, R2 goes to R2 minus R3 means convert R2 in like this, subtract third row from the second row. So left hand side is equal to 2 times 2 already is there. Okay, now see first row already BQY है. Now second row में अभी मैंने बोला कि प्लस A माइनस A, P माइनस P, X माइनस X कट हो जाएंगे. Then it will be C R Z, और ये तो ऑलरेडी A P X है ही. Is that clear? Right? Now look at the right hand side दोस्तों. Okay, if you see the right hand side, almost done, but the rows are interchanged. Which is the first row? On the right hand side is APX, second row is BQY, and the third row is CRZ. तो सारी रीशफल करनी है हमको. तो हम एक साथ दो ऑपरेशन करेंगे. सपोज मैं फर्स्ट रो वो कहाँ पे लानी है हमको? फर्स्ट रो जो है वो सेकंड में लानी है। तो टेकिंग R1, ये डबल एरो करते याद है ना, R1 R2 इंटरचेंज, ठीक है। एंड देन ये करने के बाद देन R1 R2 कर लेंगे तो पता है व्हाट वाज द प्रॉपर्टी? व्हेन यू इंटरचेंज एनी टू रोज or any two columns, then the value of the determinant becomes negative of the original, negative of the original, मतलब जो ओरिजिनल है उसका साइन चेंज हो जाता है, +5 है, देन आंसर विल बी -5, ठीक है। इफ यू आर कंफ्यूज देन लेट मी डू स्टेप बाय स्टेप। तो अभी मैं एंड देन निकाल लेता हूं। सपोज मैं R1 R2 चेंज कर दूं, gives you can do two operations simultaneously, all two operation you can do, no issue, but because we are doing it the first time, मैं एक स्टेप और करके बता रहा हूँ, एग्जाम में आप डायरेक्ट कर सकते हो। सो 2 टाइम्स आगे माइनस, माइनस क्यों आया? बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी इंटरचेंजिंग रोज, साइन चेंज, -2। नाउ second row you have to write as a first row, means C R Z, and this is B Q Y. First becomes second, second become first, and now this third A P X as it is, ठीक है, राइट। अब क्या करेंगे, देखो B Q Y सेकंड रो पे आ गया, which we already needed. Now interchange first and third row, okay, फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड रो मतलब R1 डबल एरो R3 means interchanging R1 and R3, first row and third row gives, okay। तो देखो क्या होगा, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड is equal to, now what happens again when you take the interchange of the two rows, again sign again to phone call, so some disturbance, so it is 2 times माइनस का प्लस हो गया, फर्स्ट रो एंड थर्ड रो को इंटरचेंज कर देंगे, सो इट विल बी ए पी एक्स, ओके। बी क्यू वाई इज ऑलरेडी सेकंड रो, बी क्यू वाई, एंड सी आर जेड थर्ड वन, सी आर जेड। फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड रो इंटरचेंज किया, साइन भी चेंज हो गया। नाउ लुक एट दिस, ओके, दिस इज right hand side. Finally we got the answer दोस्तों, RHS, okay, hence proved. Got this दोस्तों? Hope you understand this all. So first 7 sum of these are totally based on this type of method, that we don't have to expand at any stage. At any stage we don't have to expand. आपने देखा जितने भी sums हमने किए, there is no expansion at all. Without expansion only we completed this, isn't it? Okay, so now what we will do, we'll finish the lecture today here, and your homework will be first 7 sum homework, okay। 4.2 एक्सरसाइज के कितने सम्स करोगे आप? 4.2 सम नंबर 1 to 7, this will be your homework, you can finish it up, then sum number 8 onwards जो भी है उसका डिस्कशन जो है that we will take in the next lecture, okay, right। And also in this lecture I am giving you the important example numbers. Example means illustrations which are already solved given in the textbook, okay। So if you want to note it down with a pencil, you can note it down दोस्तों, important example numbers ओके, आप टेक्स्ट बुक में जरा ध्यान रखेंगे। आप राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, मुझे जो भी इम्पोर्टेंस लगेगा वो मैं आपको बोल दूंगा। एग्जाम्पल नंबर 9, ओके, 10, 9 and 10 both are MCQ type, 9 and 10. Then example 11 also, okay, example 11 के बाद आप देखेंगे 14, ओके, 11, 14, 15, 16, राइट। ये एक्चुअली इंपॉर्टेंट मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है कि बाकी के सब मत करो, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से थोड़े मोर लाइकली टू आस्क फॉर दी एग्जाम, एमसीक्यूज में ज्यादा हो सकते हैं। दैट इज व्हाई आई एम गिविंग यू दिस नंबर्स, ओके। सो व्हेन यू प्रैक्टिस दिस सम्स लिटिल मोर देन द अदर, ओके। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच दोस्तों, होप यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल दिस टुडेज टॉपिक। हाँ, हैव अ नाइस डे, गुड बाय।